Hey guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Gayatri and you might have guessed from the title of this video that I've already done something with my hair and you can see how good they look right now. I'm really obsessed over my hair right now. But I always wanted to get a smoothing or a straightening done, but I was kind of really scared because I had heard rumors that it might damage your hair or result in hair fall or something like that. But I really wanted to get it done because I was really frustrated because I had to straighten my hair every week after I used to wash them, and even more if there was humidity in the air. It's all because my hairs are really curly. I mean, if you have seen in the older videos, you might get an idea of how my hairs looked like back then. But I finally got done with the smoothing procedure, and in this video I'm going to explain you the difference between smoothing and keratin and also take you to the entire procedure. I tried to film a vlog, and while getting this treatment done I actually had to finalize down a salon, and there were a lot of options to choose from, but I saw this place called Nix International Salon, which is located on FC Road, and I went there for a consultation one day, and the hairdresser there, he cleared my doubts so well and suggested a treatment that would go best with me. So yeah, I finally decided to get it done there, and the cost of this treatment is around 7 to 8k there. But they also have a 20% discount, so I got it done in a bit less. So yeah, in this video I'm going to tell you all that you need to know about smoothing and keratin. So yeah, let's begin the video now. So this is how my hair looked like before the treatment. You can see there's a lot of dryness and my curls are looking really bad in this video. And this is how the salon looks from inside. This is Nix International Salon on FC Road. I'll list down the address of this salon in my description box below, so make sure you check them out. So yeah, now the hairdresser is actually examining my hairs and telling me that smoothing is a better procedure because I needed a permanent solution and keratin lasts for only 3 to 4 months by max. So finally we decided that we'll go with smoothing now. Now first of all, he's washing my hair because obviously it came from outside, so there's going to be a lot of dirt, and also you need to wash the hair with the proper shampoo which they use for the smoothing procedure. So finally, after washing my hair, now he's trying to dry it. Now after pat drying my hairs and combing them, they'll try to dry it a bit more and then apply the cream. This cream is the first cream which will actually break the bonds of my hair. So you can see now that they're applying the cream. Also they're going to leave a bit of hair because they do not need to touch the scalp when you're applying this cream. So they're taking really small sections of my hairs and trying to apply the cream and massaging it into my hairs very properly. So after they apply the cream, they are going to keep this cream on my hair for around 30 minutes till the bonds of my hairs break. So now after 30 minutes, the hairdresser is trying to check if the bonds of my hairs have broken, and only after this they'll wash my hair. So you can see now that they are removing the first cream. Now they're going to pat dry my hair and then again blow dry it. But this time, before applying one more cream, which is the neutralizer, they're actually going to flat iron my hair using a really small section of my hair. So you can see that already my hair, they look a bit smooth and soft here. But then to keep them in this condition, you need to apply the sealant cream, which is the second number cream. So now after brushing and combing my hair, they have taken really tiny sections of my hair, and they'll be going on this tiny section for around 3 to 4 times. So actually this is a procedure which requires a lot of patience and a lot of time as well, because they have taken tiny sections, and the ironing procedure, it lasts up to 1 hour. So this is a very lengthy procedure in the entire smoothing procedure. Now you can see that after ironing my hairs, they look really soft, silky and straight. But to keep them in this condition, they'll be applying the second cream, which is a neutralizer cream. So even the tiny bit of hair, it needs to be straightened very well. Also you can see some fumes or smoke coming, but no need to hyper, that's just the water vapor from my hair which is actually evaporating. So now this is the time to iron the crown section, and to give a bit volume to this, they're going to iron it in a different way. So you can see now that they're going to iron this section as well. This part is really tricky because if you don't do it well, your hairs might result in really flat look, which doesn't look great on your face. finally that the ironing procedure is done, now they'll be applying the neutralizer cream on my hair, and this doesn't take much time. You just have to keep the cream on for around 15 minutes, and finally it is done. So now you guys can see that my hairs are already smooth and straight. You can see how gorgeous they look. But just one more time before they'll blow dye my hair, and voila, it's done now. So I was really happy with how this turned out to be. You can see that my hairs, they look really smooth and silky. I've already uploaded this reel on my Instagram, but honestly I'm loving my hair like this. So this is how the hairs finally look after the smoothing. I'm really thankful to Ravi for helping me all throughout this procedure. And I have to wash my hairs after 3 days now, right? 3 days. So I'll be coming here back and then post the review soon. So yeah, thank you for watching. So yeah guys, that was it for the video today. I hope that this video might have cleared your doubts regarding which treatment is best suitable for your hairs. And I'm really loving the quality of my hair right now. But let me just tell you once again that the salon where I did this treatment is offering 20% discount to all the users. You can use my code Gayatri there, and they can give you a 20% discount on all their services. So make sure you check them out. I'll also list down their contact number and all the details in the description box below. So yeah, thank you for watching this video guys, and have a good day.